1 billion. That is the number of people who use Meta AI every single month as of mid-2025, making it the fastest AI assistant in history to reach that milestone. It is built directly into WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger. It costs absolutely nothing. And based on everything I have seen, the vast majority of people using it have no idea what it is actually capable of. In this video, I am going to fix that completely. We are going through every feature, every platform, every use case, and the honest truth about where Meta AI genuinely impresses and where it falls short. This is the complete guide. Let's get into it. Let's start with what Meta AI actually is and what is powering it. Meta AI is the artificial intelligence assistant built by Meta, the company behind Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. It is powered by Llama 4, Meta's most advanced AI model family, which launched in April 2025. Llama 4 comes in 3 variants, and understanding the difference matters. Scout is the lightweight, fast model optimized for quick, everyday responses. Maverick is the full multimodal powerhouse. It processes text, images, audio, and complex reasoning simultaneously. And Maverick is the model you are interacting with whenever you open Meta AI on any platform. Behemoth is Meta's most powerful model of all, designed for frontier scientific research and large-scale reasoning, and it is not yet publicly available. So when you are using Meta AI anywhere, in WhatsApp, on Instagram, on the website, you are talking to Maverick, which as of early 2026 benchmarks competitively with the leading commercial AI models in the world. And you are getting it completely free. Now let me walk you through every surface where Meta AI lives, because this is one of its biggest structural advantages over every other AI tool available. Inside WhatsApp, Meta AI appears as a dedicated contact you can message directly, and it also shows up in your search bar at the top of the app. You can chat with it one-on-one, get help drafting messages, ask questions, plan things, and generate images without leaving the app. Inside Instagram, Meta AI is integrated into search and DMs. You can pull it up in any conversation to brainstorm captions, generate visuals, or get creative ideas. Inside Facebook, it lives in the search bar and can assist with posts, comments, and content planning. Inside Messenger, it works as a conversational assistant available in any chat. On the web, you can access it at meta.ai, a clean, full-featured interface that gives you everything in one place. And through the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, you can interact with Meta AI entirely hands-free, using voice in the real world. 7 different surfaces, 1 assistant, all free. In Q4 2025, Meta reported that daily active users generating media inside Meta AI tripled year over year. That tells you people are not just chatting, they are creating. Let me show you what they are creating with. Image generation is one of the features that surprises people most when they first encounter it. Meta AI allows up to 100 AI-generated images per day on the free plan. 100 per day, for free. To put that in context, Microsoft Copilot's free plan gives you 15 images per day, and ChatGPT's free tier is similarly capped. You describe what you want, Meta AI generates it, directly inside WhatsApp, Instagram, or the web interface. The image quality is solid for social media content, creative brainstorming, and everyday use. You can also edit and iterate through follow-up prompts, asking it to change colors, styles, or specific elements in what it generated. The standalone Meta AI app, which launched in April 2025, takes things further and is worth downloading separately, even if you already use Meta AI inside your other apps. The most significant feature in the standalone app is full-duplex voice mode. Unlike most voice AI tools that work in a listen-then-respond pattern, full-duplex means Meta AI can listen and process simultaneously, creating a genuinely natural, flowing spoken conversation rather than a stilted back and forth. Voice mode is currently available in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. The standalone app also supports document generation with rich text and images, giving you the ability to create structured documents, reports, and outlines directly from a prompt. And the Discover feed inside the app shows you a stream of AI-generated content and prompts from other users. A great way to see what the tool can do and get inspired when you are not sure where to start. If you are finding this useful and want a breakdown of every major AI tool released in 2026, subscribe now. We publish a new video every few days and each one goes this deep. You do not want to miss what is coming next in this series. Now let me cover Meta AI Studio, which is a feature most people have never heard of, and which genuinely expands what you can do with the platform. AI Studio lets you create custom AI personas, essentially your own AI characters with specific personalities, areas of expertise, and interaction styles. You can build an AI tutor, a creative writing partner, a language practice companion, or a customer-facing assistant for a business. These custom AIs can be kept private for personal use or published so others can interact with them. For creators and businesses, this is a significant tool. You can build an AI version of your brand's personality and have it interact with your audience directly on Instagram and Messenger. SAM 3, the Segment Anything Model version 3, is another Meta AI tool that deserves its own mention and launched in March 2026. SAM 3 lets you use text or visual prompts to detect, segment, and track any object in an image or video with precise control. You can describe what you want isolated or click on an element, and SAM 3 will extract it, track it through a video, or remove it from an image. For content creators and marketers who work with visual assets regularly, this is a genuinely powerful editing capability, available entirely for free through Meta's tools. AI dubbing is another feature that has seen massive adoption. Meta introduced AI-powered video dubbing across 9 languages in late 2025, and as of early 2020, hundreds of millions of people are watching AI-translated videos on Instagram every single day. This means a reel created in English can be automatically dubbed into Spanish, French, Portuguese, German, and other supported languages with the lip movements adjusted to match. This expands the potential reach of any video content to a global audience without any manual translation work. Now let me talk about memory and personalization, because this is where Meta AI becomes more powerful the more you use it. Meta AI can remember information about you, your name, your preferences, your interests, across conversations if you allow it to. Because it is connected to your Facebook and Instagram accounts when you are signed in, it has access to a significant amount of context about you from your social media activity. The practical result is an assistant that feels increasingly tuned to you over time. The privacy consideration is this: interactions with the Meta AI assistant are subject to Meta's standard data policies and can be used to improve Meta's models. However, conversations with Meta AI inside WhatsApp private messages are end-to-end encrypted and are not used for AI training. That distinction matters, that if you are sharing anything sensitive, have that conversation in WhatsApp rather than directly in the Meta AI interface. So how does Meta AI actually compare to tools like ChatGPT and Claude? For everyday tasks, answering questions, drafting messages, generating images, brainstorming ideas, planning content, Meta AI is genuinely excellent. Its integration into platforms you already use every day gives it a practical advantage that dedicated AI tools cannot match. The fact that it is inside WhatsApp means you can get AI assistance in the same place you are already communicating. There is zero friction. Where Meta AI currently falls short of Claude and ChatGPT is in nuanced, long-form document analysis, advanced multi-step reasoning, and complex professional writing tasks. For a casual user or someone getting started with AI, those gaps are largely irrelevant. For someone doing heavy professional analytical work, a dedicated tool will serve those specific needs better. On the road ahead, Meta has confirmed development of a premium paid tier for Meta AI, likely priced around $30 a month. This will offer priority access to more powerful model versions and higher throughput. Meta has also confirmed that Behemoth, the most powerful model in the Llama 4 family, is currently in training and not yet available to users. When it is released, it will represent a significant step up in capability for the platform. And Meta's broader 2026 roadmap includes full automation of its advertising ecosystem through a system called Lattice. This will generate, test, and optimize ads autonomously, a development that is particularly relevant to anyone using Meta's platforms for business or marketing. That is Meta AI. 1 billion monthly users, 7 platforms completely free, and far more capable than most people know. If this video gave you something useful, hit the like button. It helps this channel reach people who genuinely benefit from understanding these tools. And I want to know, which of these features did you not know?